Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this doily from Dollar Tree and this 6-inch grapevine wreath from Hobby Lobby. I started by tracing out the grapevine wreath on some cardstock, and that is just so I can tape down the doily and cut that down to size so it'll fit behind the wreath. I then paint that doily with Terra Cotta acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart, and I gave that a couple coats. And then I'm taking this cutting board I got from Dollar Tree. It's the larger size bamboo cutting board, and I paint that with khaki color acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel. Once I had that paint dry, I take a baby wipe and some white acrylic paint, also by Apple Barrel, and I'm whitewashing the entire thing. Next, I place down the doily, and once I have it where I'm gonna want to glue it down, I just lift up a little bit of the edge and add some hot glue, and I do this all the way around. Next, I add some hot glue to the grapevine wreath and place that on top of the doily. And then hot glue a stem to the top of the wreath and on to the cutting board. Next, I take some Spanish moss and I'm hot gluing that to the top, right below that stem. Next, I'm taking this paper covered wire that I got from Amazon and I'm wrapping it around a larger paintbrush handle about 5 times and cutting that down. I make 2 of those. And then take those and kind of stretch them out a little bit. Cut the piece down as needed and then hot glue those 2 pieces within that moss. I take a couple pieces of greenery from a fall pick and I hot glue that within the moss as well. And then I still had some hot glue sticking out on there, so I just added in some pine cones right to that glue. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.